Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making flavorful and crispy skin turkey in the oven. Once you get your turkey, you have to remove the giblet and the neck, and I will cut off the excess skin around the head part, and I'll be washing my turkey and pat it dry with paper towel. It is important to check both cavities to make sure you are removing everything. For this turkey, I'm going to be using all dry spices. You have the choice to use fresh herbs or fresh spices or a combination of fresh and dry. Use whatever spices works for you. I will list all these ingredients in the description box below for easy access, so do not forget to check them out. I'm just going to mix everything together very well, and we will start seasoning our turkey. I will be sprinkling some of the dry spices onto the cavity of the turkey to make sure it is well seasoned. After that, I'll add some bay leaves as well. You want to be generous with your seasoning. This turkey is big. It's 15 pounds turkey, so I want to be very generous with this. I have 2 sticks of butter. To that, I'll add the rest of the dry spices. And you want to let your butter be at room temperature for easy mixing. I'm just going to mix everything very well, and we'll start seasoning the turkey. To add the spice powder, I want to gently loosen the skin from the muzzle with my hand, and I will slowly slide my hand underneath. And you don't want to use any knife or any kitchen tool that can puncture or tear the skin. Just keep working at it until you lose the skin all the way to the top of the breast. After loosening the skin very well, I will be taking some butter and I will be spreading it all over the breast. After placing the spice butter all over the breast, I'm going to use my hand to make sure the butter is evenly spread around the breast, and I will also spice or rub some around the thighs, and I will use the rest of the spice butter to rub around all over the turkey. And once you have beautifully spiced your turkey, it will be ready to be cooked. But I always marinate my turkey in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So let's say tomorrow will be Thanksgiving. I'll do all this preparation today and keep it in the refrigerator for the next day. I'll cover a plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for the next day. You can use any baking sheet or any baking pan that you have. It all depends on you. And in my baking pan that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be placing some roughly chopped vegetables like celery, carrots, and onions. And I'm going to be placing my bird of turkey on it. The vegetable is going to help raise the turkey and also allow air to circulate around it as it cooks. And it's also going to add a lot of flavor to our turkey drippings if you would like to make a gravy. I will also be adding some lemon wedges and onions onto the cavity of the turkey. I don't want to overstuff it. That is also going to increase the amount of cooking time that I will be cooking this turkey. I will be adding about 1 cup of water onto my baking pan. This is going to prevent it from burning until I start having the turkey drippings onto the pan. And I'll attach a chart for you to know how long to cook your turkey and at what temperature and how big your turkey or small it is. Thank you so much for joining me in today, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving!